Hi friend, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra.
And this is Dr. Govind Rai Garg.
You know, sir, they always say that to play on the pitch is more important than playing in the nets. No doubt that you have to do proper net practice, dress rehearsals. I remember watching the pre-shows of Michael Jackson during my teens, where he will go to the same auditorium, have the same lighting, same music, same time, just walk the same way in the clothes he's supposed to wear. Because he used to say, tomorrow there'll be millions of individuals watching me. One step wrong will break their heart. And he was so cautious about the practice. But he always used to say one thing: when the final show comes, the sweat on the palm is very different. Everybody, including Michael Jackson, used to feel it. We are doctors, and when we go to write the entrance exams, a lot at stake. The stake is a better career, living your dream, something that you visualized, something that you always wanted to. In the scrapbooks of your friends, you had written, I want to be a cardiologist, orthopedician. And this is the day where those 3.5 hours can turn the tide towards you. How to play those hours well. Let's listen to the advices by the man, Dr. Govind Rai Garg, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Apoor. This is a very relevant question, and a lot of students, they feel pressurized in spite of being prepared throughout the year, and during the exam they get terrified and make silly mistakes. So the most important thing before going to the exam is that you should prepare the exam similar to exam pattern, like similar time of the day when the exam is being held, you give tests, sit for the same 3 hours, just mimic the exact exam pattern. So if you have already given 3 to 4 GTs before sitting in the exam, then your mental status will be much better as compared to if you have not practiced like that. So most important thing is do dress rehearsal just like Michael Jackson. We told
So
everything
what you
should
said,
be same.
sir, is same time when the actual exam
Yes.
timing is there,
Yes.
and practice the exam just like that. Just to add one more thing, at least develop a habit of sitting for 4 hours.
Yes. That is the most important thing.
People don't sit for 4 hours and they want to sit in the exam for 4 hours. You know, your buttocks, your ischial tuberosities, your gluteal muscles should be tolerating your own weight for that much time in relaxed manner. So, how to stay relaxed is your body composure being maintained. Learn to keep your back straight, your shoulders broad. Learn to see the paper at ease. Develop that.
Plus mental fatigue that happens, because if you are not in a habit of sitting for 4 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours continuously, in the exam you will read the first 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hour very easily, but after that the fatigue sets in and it will be very difficult. Then sometimes I have talked to many students, they say that पहले 2 घंटे का तो पेपर बहुत बढ़िया गया, बाद में तो इतने आसान क्वेश्चन गलत हो गए, that because of mental fatigue. So practice those things, that is very important before sitting in the exam. Now coming to actual exam time.
Right.
So we have come to the exam. Now forget everything. Forget everything. कितना preparation हुआ है, कितना नहीं हुआ, क्या कर लिया, क्या रह गया. Forget everything. Now you need to give your best. जितना भी आपको आता है उसमें से बेस्ट देना है. That means whichever questions you actually know, they should not be wrong. If you can make all of them correct, whichever you know, then you will get much better rank than your expectations, because you know much more than you think. That is very important. Right. So stay relaxed, start solving the questions. Important thing is there will be some difficult questions in the exam which you do not know. They usually come in blocks, like continuously 4, 5, 6 questions will come when you do not know the answer. Yeah? So do not worry, because this happens to everyone, even the topper.
Right.
Yeah? एग्ज़ाम में अगर 200 क्वेश्चंस हैं तो उसमें 25-30 क्वेश्चन बहुत बाउंसर्स होंगे ही होंगे, एंड दैट 4 और 5 विल बी एट अ स्ट्रेच. सो इफ़ दे कम सपोज एट द बिगिनिंग, पहले 5 क्वेश्चन ही मुश्किल आ गए, सो मैनी टाइम्स आर कॉन्फिडेंस शेक्स कि मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं आता, एंड देन इवन ईजियर क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट गेटिंग रॉन्ग. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज थिंक दैट ये बाउंसर्स हैं, अभी ख़त्म हो जाएंगे, इसके बाद ईजी बॉल्स आएंगे.
I remember, sir, in fact, in 2007 World Cup, Sir has told two things. I'll just talk about them. The first one, in 2007 World Cup, Adam Gilchrist did not
Yeah.
strike in the entire tournament. And when Ponting was asked, will he be playing the finals against Sri Lanka? Ponting said he's a big match player. He will hold on to his nerves, forget whatever has happened in the past, keep it out of the ground, and will perform. And Adam Gilchrist opened that inning and played an innings which was match defining. Australia, Ricky Ponting, carried back the trophy home. Now, if he would have thought he's not been performing in the tournament, you think he would have played that day? No. That's why it's important. Outside the examination hall, forget it. Take it ball by ball, question by question. I remember when I was appearing for All India 2005, a night prior, Dr. Tarun Mittal, my senior, walked to me and said what he just said. There'll be a bad patch in the exam. It can be at the beginning. Hold on, because if you get that bad patch out, there'll be a good patch. But if you don't hold your calm and you get frustrated, you will never score. I had first 22 questions wrong in my All India, in which I qualified. Imagine if you would not have spoken those words. I would not have taken up orthopedics and sitting here. Now, this is something which is very, very crucial, that you need to hold on to your nerves. And sometimes it happens. What he just said, your mind starts churning positivity. You get to the easy questions. You start getting to the answers. And when you come back to those questions which appear difficult, they start appearing difficult.
Definitely.
This is so important. Even the entire 50-over match, right? There can be a short bad patch, but you can just cover up. This is so crucial. Next advice, sir.
So second thing is read the question very carefully. Read the complete 4 options. This is the mistake many students have made. They just study the stem and then this इसका आंसर तो यही है, option A, that is the answer. They do not read B, C, D, and many times all of them is the options.
Right.
So important thing is to read the stem very carefully, see the except, all except like things not very carefully, and then after that study all the 4 options, however easy the question may be. Always study all the 4 options. If you leave the options, then high chance that the question may be marked wrongly.
In fact, they come as an illusion.
Yes.
पहली चॉइस जीवन में और एग्जाम में धोखा होती है. So be careful of that धोखा that may just take you away, because one question can change your branch, 2 questions can change your city, 3 questions can change the year in which you qualify. So be very careful. There is very little margin of error. You can never compensate for a repeat question. Remember that. And your aim is to get the repeat questions correct, because if you get all the repeat topic questions correct, you'll be rank 1. So remember that. What he just said, none or except are very big words in small entrance exams. They have destroyed such beautiful careers. Value it. In today's world, all is rarely an answer. None is a very common answer. Think about this. If we have to guess, we have no idea, but we want to guess.
So there will be some questions where you may not be knowing about all the 4 options, and it usually happens. Important thing is you first of all need to be aware about the negative marking. How much is the negative marking? If the negative marking is 1/4 or lesser than that, then I advise that to go for wild guesses also.
Same here.
If there is negative marking of 1/3, like sometimes earlier was in AIIMS exam, so then you should be selective in guessing, because 1/3 is little more negative marking, so your chances of going into negative range is higher. But if there is 1/4 negative marking, then chances of going into negative marking, even if you have wild guesses, is very, very less. I will give you a simple example. Suppose you do not know about 5 questions. 5 तुक्के मारे आपने, okay? And out of those 5, only 1 gets right. So it becomes 0. And if 2 gets right, you get positive marks.
Right.
And the student says अगर 5 में से 1 भी ठीक नहीं हुआ तो, ठीक है, मैंने कहा अगर 5 में से 1 भी ठीक नहीं हुआ तो किस्मत ही खराब है, वैसे ही छोड़ दो. 5 में से 1 तो ठीक हो ही जाता है. ठीक है. So it is important that if negative marking is 1/4 or less, then do not leave questions. At least those questions in which even if you can rule out one option, तो वो सबको अटेम्प्ट कर देना है. ओनली लीव दोज क्वेश्चंस विच आर टोटली ब्लाइंड, के आपको पता ही नहीं क्या है, Okay, only leave those questions, otherwise attempt almost all the questions.
Same here. I will always attempt whatever comes my path, because if you can't take chances, it's very tough. And I just want to tell you one thing, because you should be ready with your roll numbers, photo ID proofs, a night prior. You should reach the examination hall on time. You must go to the washroom and relax and sit there. These are small things which prevents panic in the exam. They are not exactly in the exam, but they carry your brain in the exam. Have minimal interactions with negative people. Talk to your parents or the best friend and enter the hall. You don't want to be entering into a battle or a war believing that you can't do it. You are the person who is capable of everything, because you're a human being. And one basic thing which I always feel, during the last 10-15 days, we have a feeling we're not feeling well. We have headache, we have fever. I always tell that if you are the person who has a fever, want to take a medicine, want to take rest and avoid a day of study, or are you the person who will take a medicine, hot pack, some spray, get up and show, will decide the world will remember you or not. So stop saying no. Have a positive mind frame. And I always say that. I love these lines about the Nagpur airport, which used to be there. You need to carry your faith in the examination hall. और आत्मविश्वास से भरी कोई बड़ी कोई शक्ति नहीं होती. So carry this so that when you walk out brave. What happens is different. But ये तो गलत है कि कोशिश में कमी हो. Sir.
If you go with the self-confidence, you will easily find out that the minimum 5 to 6 question extra will be correct. Right. Whatever you know beyond that. So it is very important to be self-confident, to be relaxed, don't worry, and just give the exam with your best potential. And do not worry, we are here. If you have any queries, any doubts, we are always available.
All the very best for their day.
All the best. This is Govind Raigar.
This is Dr. Apoorv Mehra. Thank you very much.